Hello everyone, and welcome back. My name is Chris Tooley, President of Quad Plus. As promised from our last video, we have moved inside for the winter. Today we are witness to the prepping and pouring of both the office and the manufacturing area. Even though this is a 52,000 square foot building, our site superintendent told us at every step of the process, our building would continually feel smaller. Also, since the last video, our medium voltage equipment for our testing cells has begun to arrive. This will be a primary meter location, meaning the power company will connect into a metering cabinet, which will run into a 4-position switch. Our 1247 to 480 volt transformer is set in place and ready to be energized. Yet to arrive are 4160 and 13.8 kV transformer. I would like to add that this was designed and engineered by our large drives group and our electrical engineering group of Cooper & Associates, a Quad Plus company. Well, there it is. The floor is poured and the demising wall is up. Next up, utilities and framing of the office area. Until next time, this is Chris Tooley. Stay safe out there.